Hi, everybody. I am back. I know it hasn't been long since you saw me last time. So, I'm going to very quickly walk through the last step of turning in this assignment for today, and it entails how to share and submit your link to your Google Doc. So, here I am. I'm on my copy. I made a copy, remember, of my narrative. And I'm going to go to share. It's the blue button up here in the top right. Share. Now notice, problem. There's a little lock there. So what we need to do is we need to get that lock to go away, and we need to share our document properly. So I'm going to click on the link. I'm going to go to share, and I'm going to change this link to Life School. Then the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the link. So again, I'm going to go to change link. I'm going to go to share. I'm going to say, do I want to share this with anybody at Life School? Yes, I do. And I'm going to hit copy. Now I'm going to go on over to the assignment. Now where is this? Oh yeah, it's in Canvas. Okay. So in the assignment, I will find a link to a spreadsheet. It says share the link on this doc. So I'm going to click on this document, and it's going to take me to a spreadsheet. Ms. Stewart, why are you changing this up on us? We already know how to turn in an assignment the other way. Well, this time you're going to be sharing your assignment with others. So I'm going to go over here into first period. I'm going to hit Control V. Remember, I put my link on my clipboard. Now I'm going to Control V it and put it in here so that anybody can see it. And I am finished. I have submitted my assignment for today. I hope this has been a very helpful tip.